Ditch your store-bought ornaments for DIY ones. Create new ornaments with random supplies you have at home. Our favorite? This beaded heart shape. The body is made of aluminum. Dip the shape or shapes in beads and get them fully covered and looking like this. Next on the list, a shaker ornament. Can be done in any shape and filled with just about anything. It's really versatile. It also makes a great gift tag. The weather outside may be chilly, but these crafts will surely warm your hearts. Complete the shaker with cute ribbon bows. How very charming! This one is fairly easy to do. Simply wrap a bead chain all over a styrofoam ball and glue it well. This can be done in any color variation. Simple and so very cute. Are you into the holiday spirit yet? You will once you see these cute mini gifts. Size can be adjusted to your needs. Color too. Either make them ornaments to hang on the tree or make them slightly bigger to sit under the tree. Choice is yours. How to make the perfect bow? This can be a tutorial on its own. Love it when you can learn so much from a single tutorial. This sure was informative, in addition to being entertaining. What do you guys think? So tiny, yet so charming. We wish you happy holidays and fun crafting!